In this example, we're going to take a look at how to find the arithmetic means. All that means is missing terms. So if we're finding the three arithmetic means between -12 and 16, there are three missing terms. So for those who are visual learners, you can set up your sequence showing the three missing terms, which is easier to think about then when you go to set up your explicit formula. So the nth term, or the last term, equals the first term plus the common difference, which we don't know, times number of terms minus 1. Well, I see 5 terms sitting up there. Minus 1 is 4. So we're going to add 12 to both sides. And dividing by 4, we get that our common difference is 7. So to find the equation, so that we can use it to find the 10th term, we go back. Our nth term equals the first term plus the common difference times n minus 1. So simplifying that, distributing our 7, combining like terms, and then the last piece is using it to find the 10th term. So substituting 10 for n, the 10th term equals -19 plus 7 times 10, or 70. So our 10th term is 70 minus 19, or 51. Now, what we're missing is the number of terms. So one way to do this, again, is to set up that explicit formula. So we have our last term equals the first term plus the common difference, and because we've got a few terms, we know what that is this time. We're subtracting 4 times n minus 1. N is what we don't know, the number of terms that we have. So solving this equation, distributing our -4, combining like terms, subtracting 125 from both sides, and dividing by -4, we get that we have 36 terms in this sequence. Last example wouldn't be complete without a word problem. So we have knee surgery. We start jogging slowly to return to health, and at first we're only jogging 12 minutes a day. Each week after that, we increase by 6 minutes per day. So this is arithmetic. Our common difference is 6. And we want to know how many weeks before we're jogging 60 minutes. So in order to think about this in terms of our formula, the last term, ideally we want to get up to 60 minutes of jogging. Our first term, we're jogging for 12 minutes. Our common difference, we're adding 6 minutes a week. What we don't know is how many weeks, or n, how many number of terms. So solving this, again, we're going to distribute our 6, combine like terms, subtract 6, and divide by 6. So it will take us 9 weeks before we are jogging for an hour a day. And here are your you-try questions. Pause the video if you're writing these down on paper, and I will scroll down so you can see the third question.